Even knowing it would not last forever, I will still love you. I will love you like sunsets, brief, burning, like the sky's last confession of color, like passing scenery that lives only for a blink, yet lingers like a memory, like waves that kiss the shore and leave quiet selves behind, like autumn's yellow leaves, beauty holding on for the last breath before it falls, like a candle flickering in a quiet storm, fighting for one more second of light, like fireflies, tiny sparks of magic that refuse to stay, like the echo of a star whose light reaches us long after it's gone. Some love burn only for a moment, yet feels eternal.